Hello everybody, this is Ray Rout, the official correspondent of the Getting Sauced Fryer Media Cheese Boutique Truck Takeover. And for one interview and one interview only, I have put my differences aside with Mrs. Outdoors herself, Mary Ann Iveson?
Iveson, yeah.
Iveson.
Yeah, close enough. Yeah.
I get her name wrong. I purposely get her name wrong. I now forget what the real name is.
And you just stumbled through the real
Iveson.
name. Yeah.
Marianne, you came all the way from Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, here to 45 Ripley Avenue to attend the Cryer Food Truck Takeover.
I did.
What possessed you to make that atrocious drive down Highway 7? And
it was actually atrocious because there was like a blizzard and then there was rain, and then today is like an absolute beautiful day. So I think it's like, this is my reward. But I mostly came, food number 1, Mrs. Lindley's butter tarts number 2, and number 3 just food in general, and friendship was number 4.
to see me, right?
No, that's definitely not in the top list. Everyone else though, I was really excited to see.
See, I said I was trying to put our differences aside for the betterment of the company.
Right.
And anyways, so have you tried any of the food yet?
I haven't. You've been actually smacking my hand every time I reach for a fry, so I haven't been allowed to.
Grab one of those garlic fries.
I can?
Tell me what they taste like.
I've been able to smell these for 20 minutes. So, yeah. That is like A+. Those are A+ fries.
So I look around here and I see no snow. I see no nothing. How come every video you put out there's like still 40 feet of snow where you are?
Because there is. I have not experienced plus 10 temperatures in like 6 months. So this is the best.
Like every time you put out a video, I look outside and go, huh?
That's not real.
That's why I'm just... See, I used to be convinced she was sending old videos to me when she actually used to go outside.
No, it's legit.
then
There's so much snow.
You sent me a video of you bike riding in the fall, and that's when I realized they're old, they're old videos. And you don't really go outside.
No,
and
except to eat these Garpar fries outside, outdoors. Burgers coming next.
Was it worth the ride from Ottawa?
100%.
All right, well, that's it. This is
Thanks for having me,
Marianne
by the way.
Iveson. You're welcome. The pleasure was all yours.
It was all. That's not us shaking hands. That's incredible.